Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Suresh Ambalapura from Technical Circuits. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my videos and like my videos. Today's video explains the HDMI to Vga converter, which helps to connect a set-top box to monitor without TV to on a card. So I just connect to the Vga port, that device, HDMI to Vga converter. Connect to the Vga port of the monitor, then connect to the HDMI cable one end to the HDMI input port. Just a side view and a top view of a HDMI to Vga converter. It's a simple tool. Connect to the HDMI cable on end, then home theater stereo cable for audio output, stereo cable for audio output, home theater or a desktop speaker, anyone connect. Another one end connect to the set-top box. It's a good picture quality device. Its quality is amazing with a low cost, only just 500 rupees, with a small audio cable. And TV to card has 1500 and 1600 rupees, but it has only 500 rupees. So thank you for watching my videos.